Hello students. Today we will see under the lesson of divisibility. Today we will see the next part of our lesson, and we are learning today the divisibility test of a 9. So we have already learned the divisibility test for 2, divisibility test for 5, and divisibility test for 10. Same way we had done some activities here, and in these activities, from these activities we had completed this activity, and then we have conclude, or we have make the test of the we find out the statement of the divisibility test of 3, and same way the divisibility test of the 4. Okay, after the divisibility test of 3, 4, 2, 5 and 10, now we are going to learn the next divisibility test, that is the divisibility test of a 9. Okay, so here in this, to understand the divisibility test of a 9, we are going to study, or we will complete this table for understanding the divisibility test of 9. So first of all, here some columns are there. So first number is there. After that, divide the number, means this number we have to divide with the 9, and we have to check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. Completely, that is important. Completely divisible by 9 or not. And if it is divisible, we have to give the correct mark here in this box. And next box is the sum of digits in the number. So here in 1980, in this number inside 1, 9, 8, 0. So these numbers are there, and we have to do the addition of this number, and its addition is the 18, and we have to check it's the addition divisible by 9 or not. If it is divisible by 9, we have to give right mark in the box. Okay, so we will see, check next number. So first of all, here the first number is given, and in that number 1980, 1000 we will check 1980, we have to divide with the 9. As you know that 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. 19 minus 18, 1 remain, you have to write in front of 8. So 9 twos are 18 again here, and remaining 0 we have to write. So if you check the 1980, you divide with the 9, you got here 220, and there is a no remainder. That's why here this number is completely divisible by 9. So we have to give here correct mark. Okay, now do the addition of the numbers which are present in the 1980. So here it is 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 0. 1 plus 9, 10, and 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 0, it is again 18. So, and 18 is in the table of 9. It is at second place. 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. So here also you have with the correct mark. Now we will check the next number, 2999. So here it is 2999. If we will divide with the 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, and 9 threes are 27. So here it is 9 threes are 27. So 29 minus 27 remains 2. So remainder is 2, that you have to write in front of the next 9. Again you have to divide it with the 9 again. So 9 threes are 27. Again remains 2. 9 threes are 27. Again 2 is there, and it is a remainder because the 2 is smaller than 9, and that's why this number is not divisible by 9. Okay, after this we have to do the sum of digits of this 2999. If you do the addition, 2 plus 9 plus 9 and plus 9, you will get answer here 29. And if you check the table of 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So 29 is not in place, it is not present in the table of 9, and that's why here you have to give the cross mark, or 29 is not divisible by 9. Okay, now the next number we will do this. So first of all, we will check here 5004, is it divisible by 9 or not. So 5004, 5004. 4. Just divide with the 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 stable inside 50 is there? No. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. So 50 minus 45 remains 5. You have to write in front of this 0. So here it is 50. Again 9 fives are 45. Again remains 5. And 9 sixes are 54. Okay. If you see this 5004, it's completely divisible by 4 because 9, because the remainder is 0. Now here, is it divisible by 9? Yes. Now we have to do the sum of the number. So 5 plus 0, you just do the addition of this number. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4. What is its addition? 5 plus 0, 5. And plus 4, 0, 5. And plus 4, it is 9. So, and 9 is there in the table of 5. At which place? 9 is present in 9's table at first place. So 9 ones are 9, and that's why here you have to give the correct mark. Right? Now we will check whether the next number, that is 13,389, is it divisible by 9 or not. Okay, so here it is correct mark, here it was 9 and here it was right mark. Now 13,389 you had to divide with the 9. So 9 ones are 9 because 9 2s are 18 is there and it is greater than 13. So here 9 ones are 9. 13 minus 9, how much is the answer? 4. Okay, so 4 you have to write in front of 3. So here 9 4s are 36 because 9 5s are 45. It is greater than 43. So 9 4s are 36. Then 43 minus 36, how much it is there? Now here remains 7. Okay, now 9 stable inside 78 is not there, but which number is there which is smaller than 78? The number is 72. 9 8 is a 72. Okay, now remains how much? 72. Then remains here, better, here remains 6, and we have to check 69 is there in the table of 9 or not. So if you see, check the table. So here 9 7s are 63. 9 7s are 63, and here it is remainder is 6. Remainder is 6. Now this number is not divisible by what? 9. So you have to give here wrong mark. Right? Now what we have to do? We have to check that whether the sum of digit is divisible by 9 or not. So for that we have to do the sum of numbers. So here it is 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15, and 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. Okay. So here what is the sum of these digits? Is equals to 24. Equals to 24. And if you check the table of 9s, the 24 is not there in the table of 9. Okay, and it is not divisible by 9 because 9's table, if you see, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. Then you will notice that 24 is not divisible by, or it is not present in the 9's table, or it is not a multiple of a 9. So what we have to do right here, cross mark we have to give for it. Okay, now the next number 7,578. 7,578. We'll check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. So 9 ones are 9, 9 8s are 72, remainder is the 3. 9 4s are 36, remainder is 1, and 9 ones are 9, and 9 2s are 18. So here remainder is 0. So this number is completely divisible by 9. Now what we have to do? We'll do the addition of the numbers 7,578. So 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 7, 12 plus 7, it is 19. And 19 plus 8. 19 plus 8 is equal to how much it is there? 27. And 27 is divisible by 9 because 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and 9 3s are 27. So here this number is divisible by 9 also, and it's a sum of the digits is also divisible by 9 also. So we have to give the correct mark in the what related column. So here what is the answer? 27, and it is divisible by 9. Next it is, we will have to check here 699 means 69,993. 69,993. We have to divide with the 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63, remains is 6, again 9 sevens are 63, again remains 6, 9 sevens are 63, again remains 6, so 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. If you see this, if you divide this number, you will notice that this 69,993 is completely divisible by 9. It's completely divisible by 9. And if you do the addition of these numbers, that is 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3 plus 9 and plus 3, so you will get its answer 36. Okay, sum of this all digit is 36, because how many times 9 came here? Here 3 times, and 6 plus 3 is also 9. So 9 4s are 36. So sum of these digits is equal to how much? 36. And 36 is present in the table of 9 at which place? 9 4s are 36. So that number is also divisible by 9. So if you see here, if you see this table that we have completed, you will notice that the numbers which are completely divisible by 9, which numbers are completely divisible by 9 from this? That is 5004, next 7578, and next 69,993. These numbers are divisible by 9. If you see here, correct mark I gave you here in these columns, here, okay, here, here and here. Okay, then meaning of it is that if the number is divisible by 9, when it is divisible by 9, when the number is divisible by 9, when its a sum of digit is divisible by 9. So here if you see 5 plus 4, 9. 9 is present in 9 is divisible by 9 because its a sum is a 9, and that's why number is also divisible by 9. Now the next number 7578, its sum is 27 and it is also divisible by 9, and number is also divisible by 9. Now next number inside 69,993. In this number inside, the number 69,993 is divisible by 3 and its sum of digit is 63, and it is also divisible by 9. And from this what we conclude that, okay, just wait a minute, just pause the video and think about it, and you just make a statement of divisibility test of a 9. Okay, yes, see, okay, yes. So check when the sum of digit of a numbers is divisible by 9. If the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the given number is divisible by 9 is the statement for the divisibility test of a 9. Clear? Yes? Understood all of you? So here we understood the divisibility test of a 9. So here it is the statement. All of you note down this, because when I will cut it, when we are moving forward, it gets erased. Okay, over. Next, so here it is the statement for the divisibility test of a 9. So what is the statement? If the sum of the digits of a number is completely divisible by 9, then number is divisible by 9. So this is the statement of divisibility test of a 9. Now we will check some more examples which are divisible by 9 or not. We will see. So first of all, 5,922. 5,922. So if you do the sum of this digit, directly we have to check, is it divisible by 9? It is not necessary to divide this 5,922 by 9. So here 5,922, if you do this addition of this, 5 plus 9, 14. 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 2. If you do the addition of this, so 9 is here, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, how much? 9, and 9, 9, 18. So sum of the digits of this number 5,922 is 18. and 18 is divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. So this number is divisible by 9. In that way we have to find out whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. Okay, now we will see one more example to understand it. So here I will take one number 43215 means 43,251 15, sorry. Now what we have to do, just I told you before, only you have to do the sum up. Don't, it is not necessary to divide this number with the 9 and check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. So for that what we have to do, we have to do the addition of these numbers. So 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 3 7, plus 2 this 7 plus 2 it is 9, 9 plus 1 10, and 10 plus 5 15. Yes, so if you see here, the sum of digit is equal to 15, and 15 is divisible by 9. Yes, 15 is divisible by 9. No, 15 is not divisible by 9, and that's why if you are not understanding, you just divide it in this way. 15 you just divide with the 9, you will get answer here. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. So 15 minus 9 is equals to remainder is 6. Yes, so this number remainder remains, means this number is not completely divisible by 9, and that's why the 43,215 is also not divisible by 9. In that way we have to solve this examples. Okay, now I am going to give you some examples for practice. You just decide whether the given numbers are divisible by 9 or not. So first of all, first example, write down 14,543, 14,543. Second number, you have to check 5,409. Third number you have to take, that is 9,999. Okay, next fourth number is 639. Fifth number you have to take 4532. Okay, whether it is divisible by 9 or not, you have to check. 4,532. 61,400, and so this number is 61,434. Now next seventh number is the 4545. Okay, next eighth number is the 5040, 5040. Next number is the ninth number is the 7,200 and 7,200, and we will take here 45. Okay, and the last you have to take here number, that is 45,213, means 45,213. Today's homework is this: you have to check whether these numbers are divisible by 9 or not. So today we will stop here only. You have to complete this homework, and today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.